Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. RLHF. Teaching AI to behave nicely. Imagine you're building a new software feature. But instead of just performing a task, it needs to be helpful, safe, and even polite. That's the challenge with advanced AI. Like chatbots, they might know a lot of facts, but sometimes they give strange, unhelpful, or even harmful answers. Just like a new employee needs guidance beyond their basic job description to behave nicely. Within a team, AI needs more than just data. We need a way to teach AI not just what to do, but how to do it in a way that aligns with human expectations and values. Before we get to human feedback, let's briefly understand reinforcement learning. RL. Think of training a dog. You give it a treat, a reward, for good behavior. In RL, an AI agent tries out actions in an environment and gets positive or negative rewards. It learns to choose actions that maximize its rewards through trial and error. From a developer's perspective, imagine writing code where your program's output isn't just incorrect, but gets a numerical score based on how good it was. The program then continuously tweaks its internal logic to get higher scores. For many complex AI tasks, like generating creative stories, writing code, or being ethically sound, it's incredibly hard to define a simple reward function that a computer can understand. How do you numerically score niceness or helpfulness? This is where humans come in. We are great at judging nuance. Think of a manager giving feedback on an employee's report. It's not just a pass, fail, but detailed insights on clarity, tone, and accuracy. For AI, human feedback provides the crucial qualitative judgment that pure code can't easily capture. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. RLHF combines the idea of rewarding good behavior, RL, with the nuanced judgment of humans, HF. The core idea is simple. The AI generates different possible responses. Humans evaluate and rank these responses based on quality, helpfulness, or safety. And then this human preference becomes the reward signal that the AI learns from. Imagine an apprentice trying different ways to do a complex task. Their master, the human, watches, points out the asterisk best way, and over time, the apprentice learns what good looks like by observing the master's feedback. The RLHF process usually starts with a model that already has some basic knowledge, a pre-trained AI. Then, we perform supervised fine-tuning, SFT. This means we gather a dataset of examples where humans have directly shown the AI what good behavior looks like. For instance, we might provide pairs of questions and ideal answers. From a developer's standpoint, this is like taking a general-purpose library and giving it specific, curated examples of desired inputs and outputs for your particular application. It's the AI's initial textbook learning phase, giving it a baseline understanding of what's expected. This is a key innovation. After SFT, the AI generates many different responses to prompts. Instead of trying to score them ourselves for every response, we have humans compare and rank a smaller set of these AI-generated responses. E.g., response A is better than response B for this prompt. We then train a separate AI model, called the reward model, to learn these human preferences. This reward model essentially becomes an automated taste tester or critic. Developers view, you're training a new, smaller neural network whose job is to predict how a human would rank different AI outputs. This model can then give a numerical goodness score to asterisk any AI output, effectively automating human judgment. Now for the magic. The original AI model, the one we want to improve, enters a continuous learning loop. It generates new responses to various prompts. Instead of waiting for a human to provide feedback, it sends these responses to the reward model we just trained. The reward model gives it a score indicating how good that response is. The original AI then uses this score as its reward signal and adjusts its internal parameters, like the dog learning from treats, to generate even better, higher scoring responses. From a dev perspective, your main AI is now continuously optimizing its outputs, guided by the automated critic, the reward model, leading to rapid and scalable self-improvement without constant human intervention. RLHF is a game changer for building sophisticated AI. It allows us to imbue AI with subjective qualities like helpfulness, harmlessness, and honesty, which are incredibly difficult to program explicitly. This technique has been instrumental in making large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT not just knowledgeable, but also aligned with human values and preferences. It's how we teach AI to behave nicely in complex situations, making them more useful, safer, and ultimately more impactful tools for developers and society. It's about moving from AI that just works to AI that understands and acts in a way that feels human-aligned. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.